Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a custom liquid section in Shopify. Liquid is Shopify's templating language and it allows you to create custom sections and functionality for your store. By the end of this video, you will have your very own custom section added to your theme. Let's get started. Before we jump into the code, let's quickly talk about what liquid sections are. Liquid sections allow you to create reusable pieces of code that can be added to your Shopify pages. This can be things like custom banners, product displays, special offers, and much more. You can place this section anywhere in your Shopify theme. Let's start by opening the online store section in your Shopify admin and then click on themes. Next, click on actions and then click edit code. Here you will add here we will add our custom liquid section. You will be working mostly in two files, sections. This is where the bulk of your custom sections will go. Then snippet. This is where you can create reusable code snippets for smaller elements. Now, to create our custom section, go to the sections folder and click add new section. Let's name this one custom banner dot liquid. Then click done. Now this is where we'll write the code for our custom section. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple first. Let's add the basic structures like schema, name, settings. Now click on this line, then enter. Use this bracket and type text. Label, banner fill, banner title. Remember that use comma for every line. Then hit enter. Write ID, then banner title. Then default. Welcome to our store. Now click on that line, then enter comma again. Add this bracket again, then write type, text area, then label, banner message, ID, banner, message. Finally, default. Enjoy our latest order offers. This code creates the structure of the section. In the schema, we define the name, settings, and inputs for the custom banner, banner title, banner message. This will allow us to update the next directly in the Shopify theme editor. Now let's add the HTML and liquid code to display the banner. View the schema. Add this code to display the content dynamically. Click Save. Then right here, div class custom banner, heading 2, double second bracket, then settings dot banner title, then heading to ending tag, then paragraph tag, per double bracket, settings dot banner message. Now ending tag div. This HTML will display the banner title and the banner message that we defined earlier in the theme editor. Next, let's style the customized banner to make it look nice. To go to your assets folder from the left sidebar. Open the theme CSS section. Or search for theme CSS at the bottom of the file. Add some CSS if you want. This CSS code gives our custom banner a simple, clean design. You can customize the colors, font size, and more to match your store's branding. Now let's add this custom section to your store's homepage. Then go to online store, then theme, then customize. Now in the customizer, go to the section where you want to add banner. In the left sidebar, click add section, then choose custom banner or image banner. Click on it to add, and you will be able to change the banner title and banner message directly from the theme editor. Once you have added section, click save. Now preview your store. And there you go. That's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.